my sentiment. Para kasi tayo ginagawa tayo ng aso na you throw the bread far away every time you have an issue with me. Tapos the favorite catchword is we will stop the aid and assistance.
You told him that, sir? What was his response, sir?
Wala, hindi siya. Sinabi ko kay, let me very clear on this, not misquote me. Sinabi ko ang sama ng loob ko sa Amerikano. Every time is an issue, whatever, it could be human rights or business, para bang may aso na may tali, na itatapo nilang yung pan, hindi naman maabot ng parang aso na hindi siya makaabot kasi bunganga lang siya dyan kasi hindi they throw it farther away, something like that.
Sir,
Did Prime Minister Abe, sir, try to mediate na yung sinasabi
No.
po na? Meron nung
He understands meron na silang problema dito sa
Hindi, yung
everywhere.
paliwanag niyo po sa mga pronouncements niyo sa Amerika, ano pong sagot niya?
Wala.
Nakinig lang po.
To his eternal credit, Minister Abe is a very courteous man.
Okay, thank you,
Sir,
thank you.
namatay yung uncle ng Emperor. Any message po?
Yeah, I'd like to express my deepest condolence sa side na second sana sa and the protocol officer na wag na lang muna ako magpunta doon because they are in and I respect that because I would ask for the same maybe request if ever any issues.
Sir, one last thing po. Ano po yung comment nyo rin sa ano? Parang ang comment na iba, ang tapang daw po ng mga nabanggit nyo sa China. Tapos pagdating dito sa Japan, parang medyo naging yung nagpaliwanag kayo po. Ano ba talaga yung konteksto na sinabi nyo sa China?
Well, I said the same thing actually before the Filipino crowd. Almost the same epithets, same cuss words, same slang language and everything.
Why did you feel the need to explain to Prime Minister Abe, sir, na no alliances with China, no talks about stationing?
No, I said no military alliances, but could be alliance about economic.
Okay.
Yun po yung context na binagit nyo.
Yeah,
Align.
alam ni Minister Abe, alam ng China, there is really no reason to go to war. Because we are all agreed that kung may Third World War, wala na tayong pinag-usapan lahat. Because we will not see each other here, maybe in the other world. Kasi kung mag-breakdown yan, if there is total breakdown in what you would call, as far as I'm concerned, miscalculation ng isa, then you will involve India, on which side I do not know, Pakistan, then you have China, then you have North Korea, and maybe South Korea, and do not count Japan. Japan could give you a bloody nose. Then you have the other side, America, Russia, Britain, France, Iran, and maybe Italy.
Okay, thank you, Mayor.
Pag pumutok itong lahat, pagka pumutok itong lahat, okay na okay.
Okay daw sa likod mo. Sige, sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much.
Sir, uwi na kayo.
Hi, sir. Maganda.
Favorite ko siya.
Si Maki yan, Maki.
Kasi ang tanong niya sa akin noon, anong committee ka?
Nung congressman.
Akong congressman, sabi ko, ma'am, board ako. Sabi ni Maki, hindi ho, dito sa Congress, tawag nila yan board, committee, hindi board. Ma'am, talagang board ang ano. Hindi nga eh. Sinasabi na sa iyo, committee, board. Sabi ko, ma'am, I'm bored to death.